Okay, my beautiful friends, it is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Just a lovely day. It's already starting to be lovely. But again, why is it so freaking lovely? Let me set the scene for you. It's going to be beautiful. Right now we got the 10-year yield rising 1.75. We have the dollar stronger. We got stock futures under pressure now. Don't lose sight of what is going to freaking happen. All right? The Federal Reserve, like I've told you, I don't know how many times over the last several months, is going to institute yield curve control. But first, they need the 10-year yield to spike. They need pressure on the market. They need a reason to do it. And they need the Wall Street freak show to say, please, please control the yield curve. This is what they're doing. This is a setup. Like I told you a million times, nothing is what it seems. Nothing is by accident. So again, right now, you got stock futures under pressure. You got a spike in the 10-year yield, and you got the dollar stronger. Not a good setup. Moreover, you got crude oil under pressure here, people. You know how this works. And whenever I see that, I get nervous that they're going to do something for which they will. People, mark my words right here and right now. I told you yesterday, two things are going to happen relatively shortly. More supply route disruptions. I don't know if that's number one or number two. Number one or number two. Then we're going to get another event to prop up crude oil, a big one. A big one. And this time in the Middle East, crude oil is going higher. They're not going to allow it to fall. You know how this works? The investment banks have literally trillions of dollars, leveraged bets on crude oil. The banks run the show, okay? The Federal Reserve running the show. So they'll do whatever they got to do. You know that this is not real. So just get that through your heads. Okay, so this morning we have cryptocurrencies higher across the board. Gold and silver getting hammered pretty hard right now. People, look, to me, this is a buying opportunity, period. I can't say this enough to you. All right, so, but you know how this works. You know the game better than anybody else if you follow this blog. Now, let's see what kind of lovely thing they pull off today with the stock market. Do you remember yesterday? Stocks opened lower across the board. Triple-digit loss for the Dow. However, that turned around. It was just lovely. New record high for the Dow yesterday, people. Look, this market, the dips are going to be bought. The dips are going to be bought because the market knows, just as I do, and you do too, that this issue with the debt market and 10-year yields spiking the way that they are, it's a means to an end. It's a means to an end. We have Yellowstone Powell explaining several weeks ago, his words, not Greg Mannarino, the Fed is all in. The Fed is all in. They're running the show. They're allowing this mechanism to work out to their advantage because the Fed wants to issue yield curve control. They want to buy it all, and they already are buying it all. And they're creating a slave society on an unprecedented scale. It's insane. It really is, and people are falling right into the trap. They don't want communism. They don't want Marxism, but they want that check. Yeah, lovely. You can't make this stuff up. If you tried to make up the current environment, you couldn't possibly do it. Anyway, so look, what you're seeing right now, I explained to you was going to happen. From weeks ago, I said the Fed is going to allow the debt market to get out of control so they can issue control. They want to desperately control the yield curve, but they can't just do it. They can't just do it. They have to create an environment where people are asking for it, where the market is asking for it, where traders are crying, they're begging for it. And the Fed is going to gladly step up and control that yield curve. It's a freak show. It's a shit show. You know all this. And it presents opportunity, people. For me, look, this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to buy the dip in the market, probably at the open, my open positions here. My core positions, I'm going to add to those as well. There's just no doubt about it. That's what I'm planning to do already this morning. I'm going to watch cryptos go higher. I'm going to use the pressure on gold and silver right now as a buying opportunity. This is where we're going, all right? More easy money is coming. We're going to get more abysmal economic news this week. I'll cover that when it comes out. And that's going to, again, be a reason for the market to go up. To go up. We just hit a record high yesterday with regard to the Dow. It's not going to stop. It's not going to stop. I don't give a damn what they throw at this market. Again, we're in economic free fall, manufacturing falling off of a cliff. You got debts and deficits ballooning. Nothing is going to stop the market from going up because the Fed is issuing debt on an unprecedented scale. They're buying it all. They're rigging the debt market. It's all rigged. It's all rigged. And you and I are understanding how to take advantage of the freak show rigging. You understand? I hope you do. Otherwise, you're going to sit here paralyzed like a deer in the headlights and not know what you should do. Again, if you're a stacker, this should be clear to you what you should be doing. Use every opportunity to acquire more, especially physical silver. You know it's my favorite asset in the history of the world. With regard to cryptos, they're going much higher. As long as there's no regulation here, and I don't see it, much higher. Stock market, it's going up. It's going up. So I got you covered from every single angle, and I'm keeping you way ahead of the curve. I'm telling you what's going to happen before it does, and invariably, I am correct. It's kind of scary, even to myself. All right, look, that's it. Very important video. Please get it out there. Share it. Watch that 10-year yield today. Watch the dollar today. Again, I set it up for you right on my website, traderschoice.net, top of the second page. And everything you're not supposed to know, I post right here on my website in my lovely chat room. Anyway, I hope you take advantage of it. I'm out of here. I really do love all of you, and I'll see you later.